your dogs! What are you trying to do?
Just make it so it never comes off.
Okay.
With it.
You think that's gonna work?
Oh yeah. Where was it?
You want to reset or
right
no?
Here.
You want to reset?
Yeah, reset. I'm taking video too.
Okay, so we started out with you.
Is it a motorcycle frame or a bike?
We'll find out.
And I just started with you hammering that and you said we're new.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, YouTubers. So, a couple weeks ago, well, I guess the last couple months, I've been getting into these videos about magnet fishing, so I thought I'd get one. Well, I'm over here at the Hennepin Canal, and last week, and I'm pretty sure I found a motorcycle frame, but I couldn't get it to pull up. So, went to Amazon, got another 330 pounders. 660 pounds you'd think would probably get it off. So let's find out. Pretty sure
Daddy.
it was here.
I will try to find it. No, that's not gonna find it.
You got something over there. There's a bubble.
Evan, do not drop that phone.
Alright, pause it.
Go on.
Okay.
We can get it.
Hold on to that phone tight.
I am. I jump in, or someone jump in. I got it. Is it stuck? It's stuck.
Is this magnet big enough now?
Or it's...
I can hear it clicking.
You can.
Maybe you should have used both back.
Is it too heavy?
I get it.
Just trying to. Yeah, I was getting it with one magnet.
Feels more powerful. Noah. Don't. Noah, stop. Don't touch me. Oh, you pause it? Keep going.
Pause it.
We've been searching for a while, and he's trying to pull it.
Shit, that's heavy.
He's trying to pull it in slow. Brandon!
Oh, come on.
Okay. Brandon. Oh. So, it's kind of harder than last week when you tried, I think.
Yeah, it is. I had it halfway out of the water with one magnet.
So right now he's 700-pound magnet, basically.
Yeah, about.
And last week with the 350, he was getting it halfway out, but okay.
Hey, Dad, can you buy me shoes for your house?
He might have it attached to it. He's right now pulling it up.
Is it rising?
Get it out of the water, man.
Right now you can see he might have it because it's bubbling. Oh, he has. Here it is.
What is that?
Hold on, let me see. Hold on.
Oh,
Whoa.
Sweet. That is awesome.
What is it?
Starter.
Okay.
Well, bike frame.
Maybe there's something else by it.
Really gross. That's nasty.
Cool.
Where are you gonna put it? You got a garbage bag?
Thank you. Hit subscribe if you like it. Peace.
See ya.